Hi, I would like to talk about the new version of RhinoGold Render Studio for Brazil, the version 1.1. We was working really hard in RhinoGold Render Studio. We create a better memory managing. We detect after some hours working on Render Studio 1.0 in some computers has problem of memory. Now we rebuilt all the kernel of the application, and now the managing is really better. Okay, there are no limits now. Okay, other interesting thing that we add is the materials managing. Okay, a lot of users ask about how they can customize their own materials and how they can add more materials from Brazil. And we create a really easy interface to do that. Now if we go to materials, we can find a new icon, add family. Okay, and then we can double click and type a name, for example, car paint. Okay, now I have this folder here. I can double click on it. I will find this new icon, add material from file. Then I can click here and open a browser, and I can select, let me change the preview. I can select any Brazil material. For example, I will import this one, okay, and automatically create a preview. Okay, I can add more, double click, and so on. Okay, it's really easy. And obviously it works as other RhinoGold Render Studio materials. I can drag and drop, okay, and apply my materials. And let me apply a ground plate, render. Okay, it's really easy. This functionality about add new material from file I can find in other, for example in glass. I have the same functionality to add here my new materials. Okay, then now there are no limits to customize and add your own materials here. Okay, other thing about resources managing is this new tab. Okay, is this small tab here. When we click, we have more functionality. The first one, in directories, we can find the folders of environments, ground plates, and materials. Okay, and for example, I can click on materials, and I can copy and paste, delete, rename what I want to do here. Okay, or create new folders here. Okay, and all this functionality you can do it from Windows Explorer. Then it's easier now. Okay, then if I want to rename this one, I say no, now I want to have just car materials. When I rename from here, now I can see the folder is renamed. Okay, other interesting thing that some users ask about the batch rendering. Okay, imagine that you need to render 50 models. Okay, now you must to open the file, apply the materials, render, wait some minutes, save the picture, okay, open a new model, and so on. Okay, and I think it's a lot of work. Now I think it's easier because you need just to apply the materials and save the file, and later you can select, for example, let me show you. We can select a folder, models, and there are 3 files here. I can set a resolution for all the files. Imagine that each file has a different resolution. I can say, okay, I want all the renders in 640 whatever. Okay, then now I have selected the files, and just I need to click on render button. And now open the first file. render it and save it. Okay, then now open the second file. Great, save the image and open the third file. Okay, all the three renders are do it automatically. Let me show you the result. Here I have my folder and I can find the 3DM file and the render with the same name. Okay? I hope you like the new functionalities of RhinoGold Render Studio. Obviously you can download it to upgrade for free from the website rhinogold.com. Thank you.